Did he come out? Huh? Did the guy come out? Is that him?
He got out?
I think he got out, yeah? That guy over
Is
there.
that guy in the car?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
He came out.
Got the traffic moving. Like
He
traffic.
came out.
What
He's so lucky that he had to sit alone.
Oh
So
yeah.
What
lucky.
happened? What happened?
I think he hit this car and then flipped. Yeah.
The pickup flipped the back end of this car, and then wow.
It happened so quick. He was in front of me. I didn't know what happened.
The van went that way. We were right next to the van.
He's so young. Let's go.